We've got some huge news, spectacular news that we are so excited to share with you guys. This summer, we are holding our first ever Financial Independence Retire Early Conference, and you are invited to it.
So the conference is going to be June 29th and 30th of this summer, and it's going to be here in Porto, Portugal. We are going to have a ton of different speakers. We're going to have workshops. We're going to have panels. It's going to be a great opportunity for you to learn more about FIRE and also build your FIRE community.
Oh, FIRE community. That is the secret sauce to achieving financial independence. I mean, you can learn all the mechanics of how to invest, on how to save, how to make more money, but really, it's about the community. It's about the people that you surround yourself with. Because the reality is, not many people are going to understand what you're doing when you tell them you are pursuing financial independence and you plan on retiring early. That's why we have created this conference, to bring like-minded people together that can motivate, inspire, and help each other achieve financial independence.
So that's right, community is so important, and we are keeping this conference at a fairly small size of 400 people, and about half of those seats are already taken by members of our 365 Days to FIRE program students. So if you want a seat, you better act quick, because once the seats are gone, they are gone. So like we said, it's all about community, but it's also about educating yourself. So we have some really dynamic speakers, and they're going to be speaking on things like investing in the stock market, how to build a six-figure side hustle, how to take action when you're really feeling stuck, creating your own FIRE community, and how to save money without feeling deprived. We have so many other great topics that are going to be talked about during this conference, and I think it's going to be so much fun.
I think one topic that I am super excited about is moving abroad. We are going to have speakers talking about how they did it and how you can also do it too. Whether it's moving to Portugal, to Thailand, to Singapore, wherever you want to move to across the world, folks are going to be there talking about how to take the right steps to do it. And finally, there's one other piece that's really exciting. In addition to the conference that we will be holding in the daytime, in the afternoon and the evening, we are going to be having activities, tours, get-togethers. I mean, this is going to be the opportunity of a lifetime to explore Porto, Portugal with your FIRE community. I'm excited about the last night, because the last night we are taking a cruise down the Douro River while we enjoy a wonderful meal together and just have a great time.
So again, tickets are limited, so make sure you get your spot now before they run out. If you want to get your ticket, you can go to 365daystofire.com/conference. We will also leave a link in the description below. We hope to see you there. And of course, if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.